to my channel. Very different intro, very different location. I'm in my bedroom because I'm going to show you what came in my yoga club this month. I can tell you this is my favorite outfit that I have gotten yet. I've gotten maybe six boxes so far, and this one is by far my favorite. You guys know that I love activewear clothes. It's what I wear most of the time. It's very rare that I dress like a normal human being. I'm always in athleisure wear, and my favorite type of leggings are seamless, and this is a seamless legging and a seamless bra. They are buttery soft, amazing. Oh, it's my favorite of all time box that I've gotten, and these have to be my favorite seamless leggings that I have ever worn, and I have tried many seamless leggings, and these take the cake. Take the cake? They win first prize, they get the gold star. They're amazing. If you're not familiar with Yoga Club, basically it is an online subscription where you fill out a style quiz based on the type of workouts you like, and also your style preference, whether you like capris, shorts, leggings, bright colors, patterns, neutrals, long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, you know, anything to do with fitness and style. You'll fill out a quiz, and then you'll have a stylist that will curate a box specifically for you. So what I get in my box is going to be different than what you may get, because our styles may be completely different. Our workouts may be completely different. So I love that it is specially curated for each person. 3 different plans depending on what you are interested in. If you just want a pair of leggings, if you want leggings and a top, or if you want a 3-piece, which is what I have. I get the 3-piece box every single month, and so I usually end up getting a sports bra, leggings, and then either like a little sweatshirt or a sweatshirt jacket or a sweater, some sort of like outerwear top. And I have really loved trying new brands, trying new clothes. It's really easy to just stick to what you see, the typical like Lululemon or Gymshark. You know, there's so many different brands out there that it's really fun to be exposed to new brands. Like today, 2 of the pieces are from Free People, which I love Free People. I didn't even know that they made an activewear line until I started getting my Yoga Club boxes. So this is a sponsored video with Yoga Club, and as always I will give you my honest feedback on if things fit, how I like it. My last one, you saw that I got massive camel toe, so if you get an item and you don't love it or it doesn't fit, you can mail it back and get a new item, and they are just absolutely wonderful. The customer service is great. I really love the company as a whole, and I obviously love fitness, working out. I love fitness wear, so this is a really fun kind of switch up on my channel of trying new workout clothes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy this video and you decided to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to thumbs this up, but don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. I hope you enjoy this little bit of a different like vlog style type video. I'm on my vlogging camera. I'm in my room really quick because people probably ask where things are from that you can see. This is a little necklace holder that Ted made me. This little guy here I've had for about 6 years. I got it at TJ Maxx. And then these 2 little things here, I'm pretty sure were from World Market, or they may be from Aaron Brothers. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and now let's get into trying on these really cute clothes and my new favorite seamless leggings ever. So seamless leggings are my favorite leggings of all time. These seamless have to be some of the best. They have this great huge like seamless waistband. There's no like weird elastic anywhere in the top. It kind of sucks everything in. These are size extra small. It has super cute detailing all down the leg. They also have this little stirrup. I don't remember what they're called, but if you do yoga and you like that, I just fold mine up. But I'm 5'1", and I feel like they fit really nice on the length. They hit kind of right at my ankle, and they make the rear end look very nice. And then the bra is so cute. It's the exact same color. Has that really nice detailing. There's no cup pads in here, but it's like double thickness in the, you know, boob area. So I think even if it was like a little bit cold, I feel like my house is kind of cold, and there's like no nipple edge happening, which I appreciate. Also, the back has adjustable straps, so that's really nice. And I just think that this is such a cute outfit. I think this is so cute. I love the gray. I love the seamless. It's very comfortable. I have never really tried out much from Free People as far as their activewear, and so far the few things that I've gotten in my yoga club boxing has been amazing. So really, really cute. This gray color is just perfection. I love this. Now let's put on the little sweatshirt that came with it. All right, the sweatshirt is super basic. It's just a really incredibly soft black sweatshirt. It has the little cutout detail here. It does have thumb holes, which I love. It's just really, really basic, but I love that you can obviously wear this with your athletic clothes. I think you could wear these with jeans. This could be just like a comfy little sweatshirt. It does have the wider neckline, which I also really like. So just super comfy, very basic, but I think the star in this month's box was definitely the leggings and the sports bra. Here's the detail again. So this was a very, 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 very successful, probably my favorite Yoga Club box that I have gotten yet. So thank you, Yoga Club, for partnering with me on this video. This is my favorite box by far. These seamless are the softest, butteriest. They're just so nice. They don't give you camel toe. I've tried a ton of seamless leggings, and these ones are by far my absolute favorite. For size reference in all of this, everything is an extra small except for the bra is a size small. I love that the bra is adjustable. Most seamless bras that I have tried are not adjustable, so I love that you can adjust the straps. It's all very comfortable. It's buttery soft. It's not too tight. It's not too constricting. They are squat proof, and it doesn't give you camel toe, which a lot of seamless leggings can do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this more vloggy style instead of my traditional sitting in my beauty room style try-on haul. Interested in Yoga Club, I will have a link down below. Also, I have a tutorial for this look too that I just filmed. So yes, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!